Okay, so now once your part is done, we're gonna come and open a drawing. So we're gonna make drawing from part. We're gonna hit the A anti-landscape or portrait. It depends. Let me look through it as these do scale. So we're gonna hit OK. It's important for your document to be 1-to-1. And then we're gonna come and drag a flat pattern in. So you hit here and unselect, 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 unselect everything, just so we can have just the template itself sitting in it. So everything is unselected now, and now we just have it here. As we need to have 3 center lines and it's 1 inch, we need to have lines sitting center here, another line. You can hit S, hit type in line, add it to your toolbox here. Oh, so line here, another line right here, and another line right here. Now give me a quick second as I need to double check a dimension. So it's going to be, we come here and hit smart dimensions from here to here. It will be 0.785. And from here to here, same number. You could always, as is showing as 779, you can come here, edit document settings, and come here to length and give it one more decimal place. And now it will come out to 0.785. So that is going to give it here. And then the final thing I would like you guys to do is, as it is good practice to do, to put a dimension here to know what the final length is. So if it isn't 1-to-1, it is obvious to see that it is not 3.202, as scaling does matter. So now we have all that done. It is 1-to-1. This part is 1-to-1. We have our 3 center lines created. We can come and check. So Control P. We can hit preview. And now these 3 lines will show when we make the copy. So we can use these to align with the center line mark that was made with the manufacturing team. So it is all good now. We can close this out. We can come here and hit, it's gonna be sheet format, edit sheet format. We're gonna change this name here, and we're gonna put whatever the tube's name was. We'll say 122, 22 test, and that will give us what the drawing number is. We click that out, and now we have a completed template. So it is fairly simple, I would say. But if you guys have any issues, always feel free to reach out to me. I'm here for you guys, and let's be successful this year as a team and all grow from each other because that's the most important part. I'll see you guys at the shop. See ya.